Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to change region on Mac. So first of all, what you need to do, just hit the Apple icon at the top left. Under it, System Preferences or System Settings. Right? Inside, I'm going to just try to pin down Language in Region. You're often going to find it in the General, right? If you have a more updated version of MacBook. In my case, I already see it here, so I'm going to hit Language in Region. Inside, I could just go ahead and see the region calendar, right? And so instead of my region, which is Saudi Arabia, I'm going to change it to somewhere in Africa or somewhere in Asia, right? Or somewhere in Europe or Oceania. So basically that's it, right? Once you select your region, you're going to be able to just hit the cancel icon here at the top and apply the settings. And of course, choose your calendar, right? Because it's different from one region to another. So yeah, consider liking this video, subscribe it, and turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos. Until next time, see you.